Law of demand. The principle that other things equal, as price falls, the quantity demanded rises, and as price rises, the quantity demanded falls. Markets have suppliers and demanders. Markets can be local, like a farmer's market, or national, like the Chicago Board of Trade. We made up our own example of a local market on a desert island. Jimmy is a coconut supplier, and Sarah and Susan have a demand for coconuts. Jimmy isn't sure what the most profitable price for his coconuts is, so he did a little economic research to ensure that he would make the maximum profit. Jimmy drew out a chart for the market demand of coconuts, including the price per coconut and how many coconuts Sarah and Susan would purchase at each given price. Jimmy drew out a demand curve with the information from the chart in order to better visualize the demand for his product. The detriments of demand, or demand shifters, are factors other than price that shift the position of a demand curve left or right. Detriments of demand are held constant when a demand curve is drawn. They signal a change in demand. Detriments of demand, income. With superior or normal goods, prices rise and fall along with income. But for inferior goods, they have an inverse relationship with income. There are two types of goods that can affect demand. Substitute goods, such as McDonald's and Burger King, which can be substitutes for the other, and complementary goods that are usually bought together, such as peanut butter and jelly. An example of a substitute good could be a girl named Mindy bringing papayas to our island. The competing product lowers the demand for coconuts on the island. Here we have a demand curve showing the effects of a detriment of demand, such as Mindy's arrival with the papayas introduced to our market. A change in quantity demanded doesn't mean a shift in the graph, but rather a movement from one point to another, such as A to B or B to C. Thank you for watching. We hoped you learned a lot about demand.